Hey, what's up creators? Welcome to this awesome intermediate project in Tinkercad. Today we're going to build a custom 3D keychain. You can drag a box onto the work plane and change its dimensions to be 25 by 50 by 3. Now we can round the corners. After we have your keychain be smooth and stylish, we can make a keyring hole by taking a cylinder hole and putting it in the place you want your hole to be at. Now we can sprinkle in extra shapes for that extra wow factor and add text to personalize the design. If you want, you can also change the color, the font, or the size of your texts, and also change the color of the objects that you place on your keychain. You can add various different shapes to your design, such as here where I added a dome. I also added many triangles. And a donut to make the whole look nicer. I also chose to add some stars. You can change the color of these objects by selecting color on the side. There are many different objects to choose from in Tinkercad. You can choose whatever you want to make your design custom. Here's a reminder that when you want to make a hole, you have to first make the object holes, and then select the object that you want the hole to be through, and select Group on the top right. Here's my keychain as an example. You can add whatever you want to yours to make it personalized. We wrap it up by exporting your design as an STL, ready for 3D printing with your favorite filament. Let's get creative and turn simple shapes into masterpieces you can hold into your hand. Before you go, hit that like button, drop your project score in the comments, and subscribe for more rad Tinkercad tutorials. Let's make something awesome together.